Hello everybody, welcome to another Zabbix video. This time I will talk about how to run web browser in application mode and how it helps to with the Zabbix software, and to give you an idea, like if you know Microsoft Outlook product offers like a web application mode where you can explore your email by not having any additional software on your Windows station, and yeah, that's called web app. In a way, I want to treat that as almost like a desktop mode, because that web app is like hiding the URL bar, so you cannot see the address, and it just like gives more area to work with the actual software. And let's see how it looks like in Zabbix. Also, I will touch a little bit the awesomeness of single sign-on with the, even if you don't have like spare budget to run servers and enable the single sign-on. There are services, even the Microsoft one. We can create a Microsoft account, visit the Azure Active Directory, and create like this single sign-on token, I want to say, and assign with the Zabbix frontend, and then like we will be able to use single sign-on. Let's see everything in this every part in this video, and it all starts with the like web browser. Let's have a look in the web browser, and if I enter like Microsoft.com, I'm currently logged inside the product. Actually, I have not logged in, but now I am logged in. Here we see name, surname, and so I am authorized inside the Microsoft, and my point will be here like to use single sign-on also with the Zabbix frontend. And if I open the frontend in another tab, I'm clicking this button at the bottom of screen, click, and it will kind of like figure out that you are already you are authenticated inside the Microsoft Active Directory, and that's the reason why it's letting you in. Like it's a classical like single sign-on thing. Now with that application mode, like the application mode is something like you can clone your web browser. This is supported for Edge, Chrome, and probably like other ones. And I can like clone this bookmark, like the shortcut. And what I can do is like open the properties, and at the end of the, like this one is not installed inside the user, it's globally in the system. That's great. And I can write at the end of URL --app equals. And then like all we need to do is put here URL of Zabbix, and let's go back to that web browser. If I go out, sign off, I can really click not the index PHP. That would be kind of like waste of time. Better if you have single sign-on enabled in your company, in all your user base, then the best approach is here, do the right click on the URL, copy link address, and going back to that like here app equals, and I will put the content from the clipboard, and this is like my full address app, and then like full HTTP, and the point here is it does not end with the index.php, it ends with the index _ single sign-on.php, and in the very moment when we click on the icon, it will really like if you are authenticated inside the portal, like which is responsible about single sign-on, it will immediately let you inside the Zabbix. Okay, apply. Okay, so we can call it this icon Zabbix app, something like that. And now how it looks like, let's close this web browser. If I click, click, can I not? Let's try, click. That's interesting, why I failed. Web browser, this one, Zabbix app, open, and voila, like this is the outcome. Like you see, there is no URL. It looks very beautiful, I would say. Like we can now like enable the full menu, and the address is not there. We can visit between host objects like easily, and the address is not there. Maybe it's a downside. It depends like on how you use Zabbix. If you always want to look on the URL, then this is not the way. But maybe for the end user, maybe they just don't care what they like. What is the URL? And now we are just saving a little bit. We have more height for the product, and this means like more rows can be represented inside the Zabbix graphical interface. That is everything I wanted to say here. Like this is supported for Google Chrome, for the Chromium. If you use Linux as a workstation, it works there as well. It works for the Microsoft Edge. With my experience with Microsoft Edge, it asks one time like who you are, and you have to click the button like which account to use for the single sign-on. So it's extra click in the middle, but with my experience with the Google Chrome, like create the bookmark and it just works. Okay, that's everything. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.